Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Al-Ghazali Zaidi Zaka from Equinto. Today I will make video about the reflection of second semester. So the reflection of second semester is I many learn about the material of science, maths, and other all maple. So the reflection is I very understand with the material, and I very happy to the in this semester, but uh, I will make my character to be more good, because uh, in second semester the condition of masjid is not conducive and make the teacher is angry. So I want to help my friend to more conducive. So there is my reflection. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.